we can install Laravel on our local machine. For installing Laravel on our local machine, first we need to install Composer, and here's the link from where you can install Composer for different machines. If you are going to use Ubuntu, then here all the instruction is given to install Composer on Ubuntu. I am using Mac, so I have already installed this Composer on my Mac. So let's begin, and we will, after installing Composer, we will install Laravel on my local machine. This is the command. From this command we can install Laravel on our local machine. I'm going to hit enter to install Laravel. It will take some time to install. Let's wait and watch. As you can see, friends, this is the current version of Laravel, that is version 5.7. It is loading all the necessary dependencies. Alright, now we are done with the Laravel installation, and now I am going to enter in the folder that I have created, that is Laravel Vue demo. Laravel Vue and hyphen demo, and these are the folder structure that Laravel follow. Now I am going to start artisan server with the command sudo As you can see, the server is running now. I will copy this content and paste in the browser. Yeah, and configure Laravel and Vue.js and develop a single page application. If you find that this video is helpful, please share and comment, and subscribe my channel so I can motivate it to. Thank you for watching.